All right, so here we are back the next day on our pound dollar position, and you'll remember that we had that zone just up here above our previous high where we started to go short, and sure enough we went straight down exactly like I said. So a number of positions on this trade. Let's have a look at our deal map, see what we managed to finish off with. So first positions here exited for plus 15, plus 34, final one. As we pushed higher, short of the gain, 11 pips, so scalped out a number of positions here. And if we go down to a 5-minute chart, we can probably see more clearly what it looked like. Here's our 5-minute chart, and there we go there. So as you can see, multiple short positions at the high, taken out for plus 14. Plus 11, and kept one for the big move down for 34 pips. So let's look at our history and see what we did there. Here's our history, 24th of August, and as you can see, a number of pips realized from that point. And as we came onto the next day, I managed a nice trade from the swing down, as you can see, up to the high, and I managed to take out 22 pips on that. So in 2 days, we're up almost 3% on the pound dollar on our total account, and another amazing trade. And again, it's when you learn to understand when the banks are going to reverse the market, that's when it gives you the ability to get really high reward to risk, and great strong moves. And if you look at the entries that we made at the top here, you can see that price moved immediately in our favor, straight down. Nothing but red candles. Let's remove the deal map so we can see that. Nothing but red candles, straight into profit, take it out. And you can notice that we had this sort of knot area around here, and price stopped right in that knot area. That's a place of strong support. Didn't quite reach the moving average, but it's a strong support zone. So great place to take out profit. We also have the 0-0 level, one spot 3700, and price rejected off that as well. And that's why it was another great confirmation of a place to take out profit. So awesome 2 trades for the week, and I'm actually done for the week. However, if a setup comes tonight, I'll check it out, but I am done. Money's in the bank, and another amazing trade. There is no other way to trade than this. 0 drawdown. And if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, check the description box for contact details, and we have a course that offers how to trade like this in our university, where you can actually learn to trade like a professional rather than a gambler. So get in touch with me if you want to book a call and talk about your trading. There's a link below where you can do that. We'd love to talk with you and how we can help you in your trading journey.